Oh, I don't know if you can see in there. You know, get 3 of these screws in. I gotta put the 4th one in. And it pushes the blind nut off the back. And there is no way I can get my finger in there to get that blind nut back on. That has to be put on when that piece of wood was put on in there. Damn. Oh, what do you think, Klua? Huh? Yeah? I know. It's not very good. Okay, so I got 3 of those screws on. Right? Now, I'm going to have to mark it somehow. See what I'm going to do here. Get you guys back on the tripod here. Okay. So, oh yeah. Oops. I know this is going to have to go through that. Right through the bottom there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this with something. Okay? I'm hoping it made a little dent right there. Okay? And now I can take that little dent and I'm going to use a hand draw here. It's a very small mark. Right? And draw back through this way. Very slowly. You see what I'm doing? Very slowly. Okay. Oh. So through. Okay, there. We got a small hole through. Just a little hole, eh? Make that hole just a little bit bigger. Okay. Oh my. I wonder if it's big enough yet. Yep. Now, what's the issue? I want my landing gear going. Huh? Oh, where's the hair on the... You see, that's the issue. But I'll make this just a hair bigger, and then we'll come back and put that landing gear in. Okay. There we go, front landing gear. Now, let's see what goes inside here. A little bit of pain in the ass. Oops, sorry. Pain in the patootie. You see there, that's to get light. Okay, so I've got to have an honest to goodness. This edge is pretty sharp, and I don't know why it has to be. It makes it so narrow to put your hand in here. There's a grub screw I have to put on there. But I got work to do. I got to put a servo in here, and I have to get the control rod. There's a control rod here. It has to come back to a servo back here. I don't know if it's long enough. I don't think it's long enough. So, let's see how this is going to work. I've got to get a servo. I don't know what to use for a steering servo. I think I'll use the metal gear. But I had that real noisy one, I think. The Turnergy. Listen to it. I guess you get bad ones now and then, but this one's just horrible. Maybe not. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. That kit makes a lot of noise. Well, maybe. Oh, I guess it'll be okay. Oh, darn. Well, I have it here. Might as well center it. Right? So you can't see any of that. Okay, so I centered the servo. I'm going to put a servo horn on it here. And we'll work on getting this mounted. So we'll go in there, servo horn on the front because, well. Now I know this is centered. Okay. And we'll come down here. I know this is centered. I know, so what I'm going to do is I put the servo horn on, and I know I have to take other servo horns off on the airplane and the tail and the ailerons, but for this one here right now I am just going to there, Loctite it on. Now, this is going to hook up to a Y to my rudder servo. Okay, I got their little servo horn or linkage. Okay, so, wow, this is going to be a tough one to determine where straight. That straightness. Huh. Do I have a small enough wrench that'll even fit in here? That's the question. My oh my. My oh my. I'm not a big guy. You know, and I haven't got big hands. This is a tight fit in here. I'm gonna get a rough estimate on straight. This thing has to be out. Okay, so I've turned this at an angle like that. We'll try this. See, I'm guessing on how to do this because there's no instructions. They weren't nice enough to supply us with any. So, oh no, come on. Almost over there. I need a smaller wrench. I must have a smaller wrench somewhere. If I could just get this one in there. My oh my. Okay, well you're not going to be able to get them, I'm going to get in the way anyways. I'm going to try to get this grub screw tightened on this arm. Then let's see if we can get this front end put together. Okay. Now I'm frustrated again. You won't believe it. Okay, so there's a little grub screw in there that holds this arm on for steering, right? Well, if I turn the wheel, it's really easy to turn. Okay? Like it doesn't stay, and the grub screw is just stripped, it's too tight. And like, look, well, you know, you can see all the little lines on my hands. And these edges, trying to get my hands in there tight and stuff. So now I gotta take the whole thing out. Oh, take the whole thing out and try to get that attached better. Or I think I'm going to use a different one actually, because I use one of my own that the grub screw works. Anyways, I'll upload this frustration. Finish the tail, we got the cut, we got that mounted, now we got to take it all out and start over. So, I'm not going to videotape myself taking it out, but I will take it out and we'll fix it.